Are you constantly feeling bloated, gassy, or sluggish after meals? You're not alone. Digestive issues are on the rise, and it's no coincidence. In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of digestion, reveal the hidden causes of gut problems, and share practical tips to restore and protect your digestive health. Digestive disorders have become increasingly common in modern society, affecting millions of people worldwide. From acid reflux and bloating to irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, the spectrum of digestive issues is wide and growing. But why are these problems on the rise? And how does our digestive system actually work? Understanding both the root causes of digestive dysfunction and the intricate process of digestion can help us make smarter choices for long-term gut health. The rise of digestive disorders. There are several reasons why digestive disorders are more prevalent today than in previous generations. A major factor is the modern diet, which is often high in processed foods, refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and low in fiber. These types of foods can disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiome, leading to inflammation, gas, and poor nutrient absorption. Another contributing factor is chronic stress. When you're under stress, your body enters a fight or flight mode, which suppresses non-essential functions like digestion. Over time, this suppression can reduce stomach acid, slow peristalsis, the movement of food through the intestines, and impair enzyme production, leading to indigestion and other issues. Additionally, the overuse of antibiotics and certain medications, like nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, can negatively impact gut health. These drugs may disrupt the natural microbiome, weaken the gut lining, and set the stage for leaky gut syndrome or chronic inflammation. Finally, sedentary lifestyles and inadequate hydration further slow digestion and increase the risk of constipation and bloating. Combined, these factors explain why digestive disorders have become so widespread in recent decades. How digestion works. Digestion is a complex, multi-step process that begins the moment you see, smell, or think about food. This sensory input activates salivary glands and gets the digestive system ready for action. The mouth. Digestion officially starts in the mouth, where chewing breaks food down into smaller pieces. Saliva, which contains the enzyme amylase, begins the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. The esophagus. Once swallowed, food travels down the esophagus through a series of muscular contractions called peristalsis, eventually reaching the stomach. The stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and the enzyme pepsin, which starts breaking down proteins. This mixture turns into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. The small intestine. Chyme is then released into the small intestine, where most of the digestion and nutrient absorption occurs. The pancreas secretes enzymes to break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, while the liver produces bile, stored in the gallbladder, to help emulsify fats. The lining of the small intestine is covered in villi and microvilli, tiny hair-like structures that increase surface area and allow nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream. The large intestine. Any undigested material passes into the large intestine, where water and electrolytes are absorbed. Gut bacteria further ferment some fibers and produce beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids. The remaining waste forms stool, which is eventually eliminated through the rectum and anus. Keeping your digestion healthy. To support healthy digestion and prevent disorders, focus on a fiber-rich, whole food diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. Drink enough water throughout the day to keep things moving smoothly. Practice stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing. Also, aim for regular physical activity, which stimulates intestinal contractions and helps prevent constipation. In conclusion, while digestive disorders are becoming increasingly common, they are largely preventable through lifestyle and dietary changes. Understanding how your digestive system functions can empower you to make better choices for your gut and your overall well-being.